Welcome back. Daniel Parsons here. I've got a real quick video about the bronze package that you get when you come on board as an affiliate with Vital Health. This is a company that has a warehouse in Arizona and ships quickly throughout the United States, and they also ship into Canada now. And the company is headquartered down in Hermosillo, Mexico, and a very successful naturopathic doctor has been treating patients at his clinic for years. And a businessman approached him about, what about getting all these products that you're helping people restore their wellness? Can you please do it through a marketing company? And they've chosen a network marketing concept where people get rewarded for sharing the product. The products as an affiliate are very, very inexpensive. That tea detox, it's $8.50, and that makes 4 liters or a little over 1 gallon of your detox cleansing tea. And it has some very powerful ingredients that I've used for years. And the other principle here is they believe in detoxifying your body first, and then you start restoring and nourishing your body. And the response that your body has is quite incredible. So you can find out more. Come to my Telegram room, t.me/Vital Health 1. And so my phone number, Pacific weekdays, 360-383-0265. Look forward to working with you. And you can be a preferred customer if you don't want to be in the business. And that only is a $30 annual fee to get those lower rates. If you don't want to do that, you can shop as a customer and pay $12.50 for the tea detox. But over a year's time, you would save $48 just on that one product. So it pays to go ahead and be a preferred customer. So this is Daniel Parsons. I look forward to sharing this exciting opportunity that has been blessed by the hand of God, no doubt. And I look forward to working with you. Bye for now.